To take the precision exam, what you need to do is click on the link that I sent in the email. It takes you to this document. First, you have to create an account at Precision Exams. Click this link, click on registration, click on here to register. It takes you to this page where you fill out your information, and then you fill out just the top information here, your birth date, birthday and date, and then put an email address. I strongly recommend your school district email address, and then click finish. Now, one of the pieces of information in here, it says your student ID. That's the number you got on your card with your picture, and you put that number in there. If you don't have your student ID, do the best you can. Well, here's the thing. You just have to remember the number. So I strongly recommend your student ID because, when you go to take the test, you might forget that or whatever number you put here. So, okay, that's the first step. Once you're done with that, then you're ready to take the test. Step 2, you can skip. It's just testing out your connection to make sure it works. Step 3 is what I recommend you go to at this point. You click on this link. It takes you to a page that looks like this. You select Washington. Okay, now this is real important. You have to click on this link to take the test. Numerous students went to the wrong place. So step 3, click this, scroll down to Washington, and then on the next screen, you're going to need to fill in the test information, which is in the email I sent you as well. Your student ID, you'll put this in here, and this right here, I emailed it to you, so the exam title, and then the exam code, those things you have to have. And you type them into this box right here. Okay, so page 1, Washington. You get to this page, you type in all the stuff, then you click Start Chat. What happens is it connects you to a proctor that's going to have to watch you on a camera while you take the test because they have to make sure you're not cheating. Now, this organization's working with the state of Washington. They're official people, so it's legit. It seems a little creepy, but it's fine. But they will be chatting with you, so they'll say, hey, are you ready to take the test? And then they'll say, what test are you here for? You'll type in the name of the test that's in the email. And then you just chat with them, and they will guide you through setting up the test. They need to know this stuff. They need to see around the room to make sure that nobody else is going to be walking in the room while you're taking the test, because just think like you're taking a real exam. You can't have somebody come up and talk to you while you're taking it. So they need to see the room, so you have to move the camera around so they can see that you're alone and that nobody could come up to you and talk to you and that you're not cheating. Even though it's a pre-test and it doesn't count in our grade book, we do need the data so we know how you're growing, and it's a certification pathway that you can achieve certification before the end of the year, which you will because it's pretty straightforward stuff, but we need to see where you're starting from. So this stuff you need to have, you have an ID with your photo on it so they can identify that it's you, or you have to have a parent or guardian come on camera and identify that you are who you are. Okay? So that is how you get ready to take a precision exam.